It's Monday, time to talk technology, and our tech expert, Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joins us again on Power Talk. Luis, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, Mark. How are you today?
Very well, thank you. And here's an interesting story. You can give us the details on this, but there was a cyber attack on the big insurance company, health insurance company, United Healthcare, that is disrupting business for doctors and therapists and patients. What's going on here?
Yeah, so this attack happened a few weeks ago, and it impacted United Health, a big clearinghouse. They do a lot of work with Medicare, Medi-Cal, and other insurance claims, and also prescriptions. So their systems have been down, and in particular, their systems for clearing insurance claims have compromised to the point where they're now urging people who have practitioners that are filing claims to do it via mail instead of electronically. And that's setting back a lot of businesses that rely on the money from those claims to fund their operations, cash flow, as we like to say. And several of them have had to either shut down and furlough their employees or just scale back their operations because they just don't have the money to keep operating.
So is this a ransomware attack, or what is the genesis of the attack?
Yeah, so it was a ransomware attack that impacted the ability of this company. It took down their servers. They suspected it's a Russian cybercriminal gang. How many times have we said that?
Right.
And they have refused to pay the ransom to get their systems back up and running. So they're just going through the old-fashioned way of basically wiping all their systems and reinstalling everything. But that's taking time. And in the meantime, organizations that rely on those insurance claims to keep up and stay up and running are finding themselves kind of in a pinch and unable to continue operations because they just don't have the money coming in.
Right. And this is really an interesting thing because the people really being hurt by this are downstream. It's the doctors and the therapists that have patients through United Healthcare that accept their insurance that aren't able to do the billing. One doctor was talking about the fact that she's resorted to manually billing people in hopes that she gets paid, and that's going to be a very painstaking process. So this is a little different from ransomware attacks, which hit a company and normally just affects that company itself. In the case of an insurance company, all of the providers downstream are the ones that are really taking the brunt of the attack. That's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us today. It's alvareztg.com on the web. @AlvarezTG is the X handle. And Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-TEAM. That's 866-784-8326.